All right, so we have this question here. It says construct a group frequency distribution, yada, yada, yada. You want 10 classes that are a nice width. So all these are going to be done the same way. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to find the range, which is going to be the highest number minus the lowest number. So let's first look for the highest number, which looks like 551,700 minus the lowest number. Let's see here, 33,900, 33,900, 33. That looks like 33,900. So my range is going to be minus 33,900. We get 17,800. Okay, so whatever your range is, the very next step, since we want 10 classes, is to divide this by 10. And we get 1,780. Okay, that's not really a nice number. So you always want to take this and round up to the next nice number. Nice numbers are like multiples of like 10 or 20 or 50 or 100, stuff like that. So I round this up to the next nice number. Really, you might think 1,800, but let's go even nicer than that. This is kind of a weird example. Let's round this up to 2,000. That's really nice. So each class is going to have a size of 2,000. So what I have to do is set up my interval so that the first class contains the smallest value in my data. So this is the smallest value, 33,900. So I want to start my first class at the next lowest number below this that is a multiple of the class width. That's a multiple of this. So what's the next lowest number below this that's a multiple of 2,000? Well, 33,000 is not a multiple of 2,000, but 32,000 is. So this is going to start at 32,000. I don't want to use a comma there. I'll explain why in a second. 32,000 up to, now we don't, let's just leave this part blank for just a second. Up to what? Well, if the class size is 2,000 and this one starts at 32,000, that means the next one's going to start at 34,000. Next one's going to start at 36,000. And so on and so forth. You keep going down. So this goes from 32,000 up to 34,000. So this will be 33,999. But they're going to mark that wrong. Why? Because all of the data here is multiples of 100. So technically what you're going to want to do here, there's not a question like this in the problem set or the quiz, but this would go up to 33,900. And this will go from 34,000 up to 35,900. Okay. Again, this is like a specific example. This will go from 36,000 to 37,900. Because there's nothing that's not a multiple of 100. So we don't care about the extra 99 spots. Once you have all these done, then you can just count up the frequencies that fall into each group and put them in this column, and you should be good to go.